Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week, we're going to look at a utility called Deliveries, a package tracker developed by JuneCloud. Deliveries can help you keep track of all your packages, giving you detailed information from many different carriers, and even locating your package on a map. If you frequently buy things online, Deliveries can help you keep track of where things are and know exactly when they will arrive. I recently ordered a new set of AirPods via the Apple Store app on my iPhone, so let's use Deliveries to track that shipment. First, we need the tracking number, which we can get from the Account tab up here in the upper right. On the Account screen, there's a section for My Orders where we can see the AirPods with charging case, which I purchased on March 20th, 2019. We've got the order number, and the status is shipped. Tap on the card for this order to see some additional details, including a link where we can track the shipment. Tapping this link opens a Safari tab with the additional information from the carrier, which in this case is UPS, including the tracking number right here. So let's copy this, then go back to our home screen and invoke Spotlight so we can find the Deliveries app. And as soon as we open Deliveries, it recognizes that we have a UPS tracking number on our clipboard. So adding this into Deliveries is super simple. Just tap the plus icon. The Add Delivery screen pops up with the number pre-populated from our clipboard and a list of carriers that number might be from. In this example, it knows it's UPS, but sometimes you'll put in a number and there'll be a couple different options here, and you'll have to select the correct one, obviously, if you want to get the updated details on your shipment. Tap the appropriate carrier, and then you can give the item a name. These are AirPods. And once we're done, tap Save in the upper right to add the delivery to the Deliveries app. Okay, Deliveries contacts the carrier and then gives me an update on my shipment. There's a couple things that we can see here. Number one, we can see the title of the thing that is being shipped, in this case, AirPods. Number two, we can see the step in the process where our shipment is at, in this case, origin scan, Louisville, Kentucky. We can also see the expected delivery date, and on the left, there's a great big number which indicates how many more days it's going to be before it expects our package to be delivered. Tapping on this entry reveals even more details, including the location on a map, so I can see exactly where my new AirPods are.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.